everybody, and welcome to today's video. I'm Elizabeth, and this video is a shop with me at Big Lots. I live in a very rural area, and Big Lots is one of the only stores really around me within about 30 minutes that has really great decor. And Christmas is the best time of the year, of course, at all stores, but Big Lots never fails me. So I hope that you will stick around, watch this video. I won't be talking a whole lot, but I think you're going to enjoy this style of shop with me. If you do, I would be so honored if you would scroll down and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you comment below. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you get notifications every time I post new content. I have a lot of new Christmas videos coming right up starting next week. I'm decorating my house for Christmas, and I am so excited for it. I am so ready for Christmas because it is truly the best time of the whole year. So thank you again for watching and taking time out of your precious day to spend a little time with me. Something that I have noticed at all of the stores that I personally have shopped at this year for Christmas decor is the themes are not super unique. We have a lot of the whites, blues, and silvers, kind of that winter wonderland look, which of course is beautiful. And then another thing that I've seen a lot of is buffalo check. I think that that's kind of a classic style that may not totally ever go out of trend. Maybe not completely. It's kind of just one of those cozy things that makes you think of Christmas when you see the black and white check or the red and black check. And then another thing that is really big and back this year is traditional Christmas decor. So I'm seeing so much of the traditional reds and greens with gold and or silver. It's so beautiful and so festive. And we're also seeing a lot of Santa Clauses coming back. For the longest time, you didn't really see a lot of Santa Claus figurines or elves or things like that. And I feel like that it is in abundance this year. And it just brings me back to my childhood. My grandma, she always collected Santa Claus figurines, and she would put out well over 100 of them every year, which sounds crazy, but it was really cool because she had them all over her house, which is a pretty big house, and we would go around and count them as we would set them out for her as kids. So it just brings back memories, and I'm really excited to decorate this year. I want to know what style you are going with this year, if you're going with kind of a new style this year, or do you stick with just traditional? Do you repeat your style from year to year? Do you have like a family tree? I have one, and I'll tell you more about that here in a minute, but just let me know, what type of decor do you put in your house at Christmas time? I have to admit that I have not purchased a whole lot of new decor this year. I have been trying my best to kind of declutter my house and get rid of things that I don't use any longer. And so I decided for Christmas, I would go through all of the Christmas decor that I had stocked up in my garage, and that I would get rid of what I did not want anymore. And I would just try to use up as much as I could of what I already have before I bought more. Now, I have purchased a few things, but for the most part, I haven't gone crazy or anything. I bought a few ornaments here or there that I just found that I liked, but it's not something that I'm going to be actively shopping for this year. One tradition that we have in our family, which is something I know a lot of families have as traditions, is we buy a new ornament for our kids or our family every year. So this year we went to Dollywood over the summer, so we bought a little church that looks like the church in Dollywood as a Christmas ornament, for our family ornament, that is. And then this year I went to Hobby Lobby and I purchased an ornament for each of my kids. Briella played softball for the first time this year and absolutely loved it, so I got her an ornament. It's actually a baseball because they had no softballs anywhere in the store, but it is a really cool shiny baseball, and she hung that up on our family tree with all of our family ornaments already. And then I got Layton a fishing ornament because he went on his first fishing trip with his dad and grandpa this year. McKenna, I got her a little glass ornament that has succulents on the inside because she really loves succulents and plants this year. And then Caroline, she loves our new little kitty Pepper, and so I got her a little ornament that is a kitty cat that looks very similar to Pepper. So that is a tradition we have, and we put them all on what we call the family tree. It's just family ornaments that have meaning behind them. If you have something like that, let me know. It's just really fun to hear what other people do in their homes for Christmas.
Christmas in my heart. Christmas in my heart. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Since I filmed this video, I am sure that Big Lots has gotten some new decor in for Christmas. They still had an aisle or two of fall decor plus some fall stuff up on the top of the cabinets in my store, so I'm sure that there's more Christmas that has come in since I filmed this a few weeks ago. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I know that your time is precious, and I am just very honored that you chose to spend a little bit of time out of your day with me here on my channel. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment below, and introduce yourself if you are new, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Clary's Do Life. I'm Elizabeth, and this is today's Shop With Me. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and a very Merry Christmas.
In the quiet evening snow